Today, we will talk about how to fix a squeaky dryer. Let's have a look at the details. Trying to do a load of laundry, but your dryer won't stop making an awful squealing noise? The good news is, a squeaky dryer rarely means that you need a whole new dryer. Instead, there are some common parts that you may need to clean or replace to stop the squeaking. To fix your squeaky dryer no matter what the problem is, watch on. The first method is disassembly. Diagnose issues by listening to the dryer. Turn the dryer on and listen to the squeaking. Is it coming from the back, top, or bottom of the dryer? The location of the squeaking will give you a hint as to what you need to replace and where to start looking. Unplug the dryer. Before working on your dryer, unplug the unit from the wall and keep it unplugged the entire time. It's dangerous to work on a dryer that's still connected to power, so always do this before opening it up. Unscrew the screws on the back of the dryer. Take a look at the back of your dryer and find the 2 to 4 screws near the top that attach to the top panel. Unscrew the screws holding the top panel in place. Pop the top of the dryer open. Grab a putty knife or a flathead screwdriver and shimmy it underneath the top panel near the front of the dryer. Gently push the top panel upwards and open up the top of your dryer so you can see inside. Unclip the switch on the top of the dryer. The clip is what connects the wires from inside the dryer to the top of the dryer. Grab a pair of pliers and gently unclip the plastic pieces holding the wires together. Unscrew the front panel and pull it off. The front panel is normally held onto the dryer by 2 to 4 screws. Use a screwdriver to unscrew them, then pull the entire front panel off. Now your entire dryer is visible to you so you can see what's going on. The second method is squeaking from the top. Check out the dryer belt on the drum of the dryer. Dryer belts are one of the most common issues with dryers, especially if yours is an older model. Belts tend to snap and fray easily, leading to a grating, irritating noise while drying. Replace the dryer belt if it's frayed or torn. If the belt looks damaged in any way, get a new belt that matches your dryer model. Replace the glide bearings if they are damaged or torn. Be sure to buy glide bearings made for your specific dryer model. Otherwise, they may not fit inside the drum. Put the drum back into the dryer. Once you've replaced the belt, set the drum back into the middle of the dryer and then hook the belt onto the idler pulley. Be sure that the belt glides smoothly through the pulley before you reassemble your dryer. Otherwise, you could be dealing with more squeaking and grinding. The third method is squeaking from the back. Oil the idler pulley. The idler pulley is situated underneath the drum near the back of the dryer. Use WD-40 or household oil to oil the roller wheel axle inside of the pulley. Replace the idler pulley if it looks damaged. Sometimes, the idler pulley will be broken or damaged in a way that makes it squeak. Install new roller wheels if they look dirty or damaged. Roller wheels sit near the very back of the dryer and help spin the drum. Take this time to clean off any lint or hair that you see on the post of the roller wheel, too. This will help it spin smoothly instead of catching and squeaking. The fourth method is squeaking from the bottom. Remove the 3 to 4 screws on the blower housing on the back of the dryer. Clean the blower wheel and housing with a vacuum. When you take off the blower housing, you'll probably notice a lot of lint and dust inside. Replace the blower wheel if it's bent or damaged. A bent, damaged blower wheel could be causing the squeak in your dryer. Attach your new blower wheel. Tighten the new wheel by hand. Use a wrench to screw the wheel into the rear motor, and then add the metal clip back onto the motor. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.